we are changing the drain plug for the toilet. Alright, here it is. I'm gonna take the cap off the back. You want to turn off the water. You want to flush it all out really fast. You gotta wait until it all comes out. That's good. You want to close it? Put this here. Alright, now this little clip right here on the flush lever doohickey. Take that off. This just snaps up right here. Take that out. You toss that wherever you want, you know. Fucking plumber talk, you know. Fuck you. Alright, here you go. There it is. Right in the first hole, wherever the other one was. You want to clip it into place. Right here. Back into the little notches. Boom. There you go. Now let's see it work. Let it fill up. You want to open the toilet. You want to make sure there's a tight fit in there. If there's a gap, no. Alright. Just give it a second. And then you should just see it flush. There it is. Another repair by the dick. And just cap it up, let's go. Ready to take a shit.